off, we're going to have an awesome presentation about Athena AI and how to use it in your own projects. You can introduce yourself.
Yes, hello everybody. My name is Xiao, and I'm a mentor for this hackathon. So, for Athena, I'm also the founder and CEO of Athena AI. So, let me just present myself a bit more here. So, I'm a serial entrepreneur. So, I graduated from University, McGill University 11 years ago. Actually, the last time I came to Waterloo was 2013, I think, for initial library. I still remember some of the building over there. Alright, so for the past 8 years, I've been doing venture-backed startups, bootstrap tech business, and lately more into the AI app development. So Athena AI, a summary of Athena AI is a suite of AI apps. We have AI chat application, which is similar to ChatGPT, AI agent builder, similar to the custom GPT of ChatGPT, and also the Autopilot agent and the whiteboard. So in the combination, we have around 2 million users across all the apps that we build. So today, I think I'm mostly concentrating on presenting the Athena Autopilots and Athena agents. So the agents will be the chat agent, and the Autopilot I'm about to show you basically is a Alright. I tried to scream a bit more, so I'm a bit louder. So yeah, let me just present you guys a video of Athena Autopilot first. Here, let me see here. Yes, we can. The audio here.
Other AI agents, Athena Autopilot.
Just start from the beginning.
Meet Athena Autopilot, your AI-powered task runner that works while you sleep. Unlike other AI agents, Athena Autopilot can run tasks continuously for hours, even days, without interruption. Use case examples. Let's say we want to go rafting. Give the Autopilot a description, such as in our example. Autopilot will show you all the steps it goes through, and finally, it will give you the result that you are looking for. Let's do something different. Let me show you how you can create a new agent. Put in your name here. Describe what it does. Let's say, in this case, we want to open TikTok and like 100 videos and follow the accounts that have more than 5,000 followers. Select your agent's avatar, give it setup requirements, and create the agent. The agent will give you updates every step of the way while following your instructions. As you can see in this next example, we did the same exact thing, but with Twitter, Athena runs locally on your machine. That means no cloud lock-in, better privacy, and less chance of getting blocked by Cloudflare or social platforms. Your data stays yours. Most agent tools charge up to $200 a month. Athena Autopilot lets you bring your own API key, saving you hundreds. All you have to do is hit run and let Athena handle the heavy lifting. Athena Autopilot is launching now. Try it free, automate smarter, and let your AI run on autopilot. Meet Athena Autopilot, your AI-powered task runner that works while you sleep.
Yeah, so the main difference between Autopilot and something like the ChatGPT Atlas browser is probably it can run we configured it so that it can run for a long time. I think my record was 10 hours. The only reason I have to shut it down is because I have to go to sleep. So, I don't want in my advertisement I said like I can run during my sleep, but I just don't want to leave it open when I'm sleeping. But yeah, so how does it work exactly actually? So basically you can configure this is my backend over here, so basically I can create the agent here. We have two options here. You can create a chat agent and the Autopilot agent, which is what I just showed you. So the chat agent, I assume that you guys are already built a custom GPT from ChatGPT, right? Have you guys, any of you tried the custom GPT from ChatGPT? No? That's the easiest way to build a GPT wrapper. But for the chat agent, basically you can build it, you can build it on Athena got a form like that, you give the name, you give the description. The way you program it is to have your instruction prompt, we call it system prompt, inside the new task. And prompting from an agentic browser is slightly different than prompting regular ChatGPT because the instruction you're giving it is almost like programming, but in natural language. And especially if you have to get as much details as possible. And I can probably give an example of my the problem for my LinkedIn agent. Just hold on a sec. So actually, my LinkedIn agent is a very specific one. I did the one that I did for I think a few days ago was thinking not thinking like the video production here. So I think this is a better example because this is no longer from over here. So I was trying to automate my my social media for Athena AI, and I just don't have time to produce video. So what I'm doing is I give a task to Google Gemini, and then ask Gemini to come up with 10 jokes where an influencer is making fun of the latest AI, right? So I came up with some few short example here, and then basically the way I program is, for each jokes, this like step-by-step guide on how to do it, and of course if you hit the limit, we will view videos in Google videos, which by the way I think it's one of the best way to get VO3 as a low cost. So at a low cost. So here, basically, I was able to just run it, and this task usually take 1 hour to execute to fully produce 10 videos. And then what I'm doing is upload that to my social, my TikTok, my Instagram, and also YouTube Shorts. So that's one example of a way to configure agent, like similar to programming, like in natural language. Now for that's similar to the chat agent as well. So for the chat agent, you can program it. For example, I have a submission agent over here. So I have a survey. Because I also run my own AI agent contest. So for the submission agent, I run something like this one. You just find the structure here. Yeah, so this agent over here, the problem here. Yeah, so basically this is a submission agent that I program for my own AI agent contest. So very instruction heavy. So you have to tell the agent this is these are the step-by-step instruction, right? Like link to the agent's response, card use, explain card user, key features, future potential, submit the demo video, etc. So you can actually see this one. It's easier to see that one in action because with Autopilot, I need to download the app. So for this one, I don't need to. So this one is very easy to showcase here. For example, if I can start the solution here, right? So I think this one may be not the same date, but I think it doesn't matter. Same principle. So ask me to submit the link. I think I can just for the sake of the one, just to do this. Is this thing good? So let's say it's a random, right? So this is Google.com. You see that this is good because you actually check if the link is correct. So you should be starting with something like that. I think something like that. Oh no, chatbot agent. Chatbot agent. Let's say like that. Hope it works. Alright, so you ask me what the problem you saw in these three sentences. So if I type like only like something like this. I think yeah, I cannot pass because it's saying that I need to type like the exactly three sentences. So let's say like I can say something like yeah, I need to go faster this time, code in this time. I just come up with whatever here. Increase productivity. Okay, that's three sentences. Yeah, I think, okay. Let me just, okay, actually, let me just do this, copy this exact sentence. I think I purposely programmed in a way that is pretty strict on the summation, so right now I'm having trouble myself doing the summation over here. So, all right, I think you guys get the idea, right? So I don't need to keep going with that. So yeah, so basically you can configure agent for any kind of format submission, and you guys can ask a question about this contest. So give me more info about contest. He will give me actually more information about contest. Right, give me more information about this contest. So, and of course, then they say, okay, now that I give all the information to you, let's go back to the question of the purpose of the agent. So, you're just very insistent on me answering the questions here, which is very good. So, yeah, so another use case of the Athena Autopilot agent is I use this linking connection request. So for linking, if you guys want to expand on your linking presence, linking allow you to connect up to I think 150, 200 people per week. So you know what? I assume you guys all have a LinkedIn profile, right? LinkedIn profile. So it's really important to start building your LinkedIn now because all the employers, they are on LinkedIn. So in order to build the audience and build more connection on LinkedIn, I program an agent for me to assist in connecting to more people on LinkedIn. So every week, I run this agent just to get my 200 connection requests sent out. You can add more. You can just ask it to send random requests, or you can cater to a specific problem. For example, if you only want to target recruiters, you want to target only founders, then you can do that. And yeah, to install the Autopilot is very easy. Just download the app. And yeah, I also want to emphasize that we're the most affordable solution for this kind of agent because we allow you to bring in your API key, and the cheapest way to do that is create a Google Gemini API key for personal use. Because Google Gemini offers